Hello bachcho. So this series of videos I am making for indices, logarithms and using log table for calculation. I have observed my 12th standard students are very weak in these aspects, and hence I am making this for all of you so that you become very strong with these concepts. These are required not only for mathematics, these are required for physics, chemistry as well. तो पार्ट 1A में हमने इंडाइसेस के कंसेप्ट देखे थे with some simple examples. Now we are going to see logarithm. And there are also two videos in the same series where I had explained very clearly how log tables are used for doing calculation. समझ गए बच्चों? चलो आगे. Now, let us see what is the definition of log. Means logarithm. समझ गए बच्चों? चलो, what is the definition? Let us see. Now, if m is equal to a raised to x, तो हमने देखा था कि this x is nothing but index and a we have said is base. तो क्या हो गया अभी? x is defined as log of m to the base a. समझ गए बच्चों? तो x is defined as x is a log of m to the base a. तो ये जो a है ये ऐसा सबस्क्रिप्ट करके लिखते हैं, this is base. Let us take some simple examples. You know 81 is equal to 3 raised to 4. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That becomes 81. So what is 4? 4 is log of 81 to the base 3. We had seen 2 is equal to 4 raised to half. मतलब 2 is square root of 4. तो 0.5 is a log of 2 to the base 4. याद है ये बच्चों, इंडेक्स में हमने लिखा था a raised to 1 upon m is mth root of a. यही हमने किया है. Same thing is here. Revise indices. 3 raised to minus 2 मतलब 1 upon 9. So minus 2 becomes the log of 3, log of 1 upon 9 to the base 3. समझ गए बच्चों ये? 3 raised to minus 2. 3 raised to minus 2 is 1 upon 3 raised to 2. Because when you take numerator into denominator, the sign of index changes. बाकी कुछ नहीं change होता है. So this is nothing but 1 upon 9. This is what I have written here. समझ गए बच्चों? चलो आगे. Now, this is very important. A raised to 0 is 1. हमने देखा था. Anything raised to 0 is 1. So, 0 is equal to log of 1 to the base A. अभी A की जगह कुछ भी होने दो. This will be 0. So, means log of 1 to any base is 0. समझ गए? Now, if you are not understood, pause the video, go through that again. Logarithms of negative number is not possible and 0 is also not possible. So if I write log of 0 to the base 10, ये log of 0 is not possible. ये हो ही नहीं सकता है. If I write like this, log of minus 2 to the base 3, this is not possible. समझ गए बच्चों? And base can never be 1. I cannot find out log of 5 to the base 1. ये कभी भी नहीं हो सकता है. Base can never be 1. इतना याद रखो. Now, ये important है. Log of multiplication will be addition, because we had seen what we had seen बच्चों, we had seen like this, that a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n becomes a raised to m plus n. सो जैसा इंडेक्स ऐड होता है वैसा लॉग भी ऐड होता है. तो इसका मैं सिंपल अगर एग्जांपल बताऊं तो लॉग ऑफ 20 इज लॉग ऑफ, फॉर एग्जांपल 5 into 4. अभी यहां में बेस लिखा नहीं है, बराबर है, बट ऑल बेसेस आर कॉमन. आई कैन राइट डाउन टू द बेस e, which is the natural base of logarithm, which you will learn in calculus. तो यहां e लिखा समझो हमने, which is natural base of logarithm. तो log of 20 to the base e is nothing but log of 5 into 4 to the base e will be nothing but log of 5 to the base e plus log of 4 to the base e. समझ गए? I can also write down, I can also take log to the base 10. So log of 20 to the base 10 will be log of 5 into 4 to the base 10, base same रखने का, is equal to log of 5 to the base 10 plus log of 4 to the base 10. अभी यहां भी देखो log a upon b, a upon b will be log a minus log b. So suppose I write like this, log of 57 divided by 21 to the base. Base I need not write. When I have not written, everywhere the base is same, will be nothing but log of 57 minus log of 21. समझ गए बच्चों? ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. log of a raised to b will be b times log of a. So if I write like this, log of 5 raised to 3 will be 3 times log of 5. छोटे छोटे एग्जाम्पल लेके हमने ये समझा लिया है. Change of base theorem. Now let us say I have log of b to the base a. बराबर है? ये बहुत ही अच्छा थियरम है. log of b to the base a will be equal to log of b divided by log of a to some other base. Let us say e. बराबर है? क्या किया मैंने? log b I took to some other base, log a I took to some other base, and I can equate this to b to the base a. Similarly, I can write log b to the base 10 divided by log b, log a to the base 10. Similarly, I can write log b to some other base x divided by log a to the same base x. Example क्या है बच्चों? Suppose log 20 to the base 10, बराबर है? What I can write? Log 20 upon log 10. बट ये दोनों लॉग मैंने कोई एक सेम बेस पे लिए है. लेट अस से x x. समझ गए बच्चों? ओके, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ यू ऑल्सो रिमेंबर a raised to 1 is same as a. So log of same number to the same base will be always 1, just by definition. समझ गए? log of a to the log of 1000 to the base 1000 will be 1. समझ गए बच्चों? चलो, now we have to see a very important identity which is used in simplification of examples in 12th standard. समझ गए? Now what is that? I have very carefully, you see this identity, x raised to log of m to the base x. बहुत अच्छी तरह से ध्यान से देखो, जो मेरे को यहां नंबर है, आई एम रेजिंग इट टू log of some number to this base. तो यहां x है, यहां x है, इसका वैल्यू कितना आता है? सिंपली m. ये याद रखो, ये बहुत बार लगता है. एग्जाम्पल बताता हूं. 21 raised to log of 55 to the base 21. हमें क्या देखना है? जो 21 यहां है वो ही 21 यहां है. आंसर सिंपली आएगा 55. समझ गए बच्चों? रीड दीज मेनी आइडेंटिटीज, दे आर इनफ एट योर लेवल टू सॉल्व एग्जाम्पल. जैसा कि मैंने बोला, लॉगरिथम का यूज कैलकुलेशन में होता है और बहुत बार फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, इंजीनियरिंग में होता है. तो प्लीज go through these videos of indices and logarithm serially, then only you will be able to understand. तो ये log के इतने आइडेंटिटीज याद रखो. सिंपल है. मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ अ नंबर मतलब टू नंबर, एडिशन ऑफ लॉग, डिवीजन मतलब माइनस ऑफ लॉग. चलो, एंड a रेस टू m का लॉग मतलब m टाइम्स लॉग ऑफ a. तो I will tell you some simple examples in video 2b before you start learning how to use logarithms for calculation. समझ गए? छोटे छोटे वीडियो है. If I make 2 hours video, you will sleep after 20 minutes. समझ गए? चलो बच्चों, थैंक यू.